Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Tronics channel where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Dorobeen Compressed Air Duster Cordless Handheld Air Blower. Which has a 41,000 RPM motor speed. It has a stepless speed equipped with a rotary switch, so you can adjust the speed and you have infinite amount of speeds that you could use from the lowest to the highest setting. And it's very small and it's very powerful. The weight is only 0.69 pounds and it has USB charging with a USB-C connector at 6,000 milliamps chargeable battery. It's energy saving and small and powerful. Without further ado, let's get to it. And we have the charging cable, which is appears to be USB-C charging cable, as you can see. And I'm pretty thrilled. So let's see. All right, so it's a good working order. We can attach this piece here, as so. Oh, shoot. Alright, so you would attach this piece on, I guess, like this. This is the way I get it to fit. It was kind of, tough to get in there, but it's a solid, fit once you get it in there. And then what I like about it is, unlike other dusters, you would basically, let's see here, to get it operating. Let's see if that sticks. You stick that there for storage if you'd like. Now, to get it operating, basically what you would do is, I have it dialed in low. You would press that button just like that. A little light comes on. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if the camera does it justice. And you could slowly up the motor as you need it. So it has multiple speeds, which is really cool. I like that. That's unique compared to the other dusters that I've put on this channel. And basically, it's a very nice, handy duster. It looks like there's a little bit of the dust up in here, but it's relatively clean. So I'm gonna pull a shroud or two. I know this is not the proper way to pull a shroud, but let me pull the shroud here and just see how things are looking. And I mean, it's good to inspect your stuff every now and again, but I think it looks relatively clean in there. How about that? So I'm gonna do a couple of things. First, I pull the shroud out. Now I can see a little bit of dust bunnies within the fan assembly. So I'm going to take out the whole fan assembly. And you can see the little dust bunnies that are in there. So we'll see the strength of this duster here. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to get in here and I wanted to blow out some stuff. So this is on the low setting. And this is just removing some of that residual dust from the motherboard. I like it. I definitely like this duster. It's pretty effective at what it does. Fan number 1. It's a very strong duster, one of the strongest that I could say. And it's got that variable speed, which is awesome.
So in conclusion, I find this very useful and I find it very powerful. It's very effective at what it does. And if you guys are interested in getting one, I will put a link down below. Thanks for watching the video. And if you like this channel, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, feel free to leave a comment and share the video as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.